Oops, my bad. Wrong room. 303. Let's try this one. 304. It's the room. All right. Well, we are in Puerto Rico, guys, again. This time we're staying in a normal hotel, I guess we could call it. The Sheraton in Old San Juan. Only for the night. We got places to go, things to do. So let's check out this hotel room. That. What the heck, Sheraton? Nice little couch. TV's way over there. Makes no sense. Got a table, chair, a window. See that? They knew I was coming today. 65. Let's check out the bedroom. We got the TV. That actually looks like a pretty comfy chair. Bed, closet, air conditioning. Let's open this up. Oh, look at that. Look at that, guys. What do you think of that? Not too bad, not too bad. All right. So let's keep going. There's the door. Let's check out this room here. Ooh, auto lights. Nice. Nice mirror. The sink. Nice. Oh, it's where the magic happens. So the TP, it is on the top side. That's correct. Oh, that's unfortunate. It's a bathtub. Something's up with this bar here. This must be custom. We got some towels. That's really nice. What else we got going on here? Soap. Oh, there they are. I was looking for the washcloths. All right, so that's the room. Pretty nice big room. Bedroom, living room. Unfortunately, we are out of here at 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. So let's check this out. We got a little balcony door. Hold on a second. Let's see what we can do here. Let's call somebody. I'm gonna call my buddy Bob. This is my view from my little tiny balcony. It's where the cruise ships go, but as we know, there's no cruise ships. A water taxi. Hello? Hey, can you please go out your door? So we're on the 3rd floor, 4th floor, 5th floor. I think it's that room right there. Uh-oh. I don't think we're on the same side. Oh, hey, look, it's our buddy Kelly. Hey, good, how are you? Yeah, how do you like Puerto Rico?
I love it.
That's great.
Can I get a, oh yeah?
Oh yeah! All right. So that was that. Having way too much fun already. We just got here. Yep, my buddies from home came out to Puerto Rico too. So Mike, Kelly, and Stephanie. We should have some fun this weekend. and of course you're coming along with. So we'll talk to you later. I'm gonna get changed, and I think we're gonna go get some food. All right, bye.